Welcome to Mike on a Bike. If you love riding motorcycles along the winding back roads of Vermont and beyond, or just enjoy a good laugh at my German accent and grammar, then you've come to the right place. While each ride is different, I always start before sunrise, gear up, and head out on small twisty roads. I stop at family-owned cafés, chat with the locals, and admire the beauty of the Northeast. I don't mind the heat, but I hate the rain. And what matters most is to make it back home safe and sound to Claudia and Lemmy. The rides aren't in perfect order, it's just the way I felt like sharing them. And I'm still learning the ropes of editing and uploading, so the quality will only get better with time. Now sit back, relax, turn up the volume, and enjoy a different, beautiful side of New England. This is Mike on a Bike.